Previously on Talent Search Cymru. The auditions got off to a great start.
That was a really good audition. Very distinctive voice.
You have so much potential. Tonight, it's the remaining auditions, and the judges make their first result. Who will make it through to boot camp?
Again. Wow. But that was so unexpected.
Reality check. This is what you should have always been doing.
Welcome back to the remaining auditions.
Right, girls, so the final auditions today. I'm really excited about this. What are you thinking? Are you looking forward to seeing the remaining auditions?
Oh yeah, I can't wait to see what they will bring next.
Lily?
I feel the same. I think, there's some nerves, of course, when you come up and you're first. But I think to have watched the talent that just come up and then having to go into that, knowing what you're kind of up against.
Definitely.
I mean, that's intimidating. But I'm really excited to see what they bring.
Yeah, it was definitely a good first half, so I'm excited about seeing what the second half brings.
Can't wait.
Here we go.
Hello, Neris.
Hello.
So, where have you come from today?
I come from Aberdeen.
Aberdeen. Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. So, how are you feeling about auditioning for us today?
I'm feeling good. I think it'll be a good experience for me, because I'm 15. I like to get myself out there and just be seen.
I said definitely. So, what are you going to perform for the judges today?
I'm going to be doing Vienna by Billy Joel.
What a beautiful choice. Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Are you ready?
I am very ready.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Hiya, Neris.
Hiya.
Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. So, what are you going to sing for us?
I'm going to sing Vienna by Billy Joel.
Right, you ready for it?
Yeah.
Give it everything you got and start when you were ready, all right?
Slow down, you're doing fine. You can't be everything you want to be before your time. Although it's so romantic on the borderline tonight. Too bad, but it's a life you lead. You're so ahead of yourself. You forgot what you need, though you can see when you're wrong. You know you can't always see when you're right. You're right. You got your passion, you got your pride. Don't you know that only fools are satisfied? Dream on, but don't imagine they'll all come true. Ooh, when will you realize Vienna waits for you? Baby, when will you realize Vienna waits for you?
Well done. Sibel, what did you think?
Wow. The moment you opened your mouth, I was like, yes, girl, sing.
Thank you.
Because that was like super on key. I don't know the song, but you could tell it's beautiful voice.
Thank you.
You made me feel the song. I love it. I love that song. Well done.
Thank you.
I think obviously it's a popular song and a lot of people know it. And I think the way that you done it, and it's not that you switched it to any extreme, it's just that your tone on it was just yours. It was your song and it was beautiful.
Thank
I was
you.
just captivated by you from the second you opened your mouth.
Thank
So
you.
well done.
All you need to do, all right, because that was beautiful. You definitely showed that there's an awesome talent there. And I could see there was a few movements you was doing which were really nice, which you may not have picked up on before. But the way you express yourself when you're singing, I want more.
Okay.
Because it's there. So don't be frightened to just live it a bit more and fill it a bit more. So when you're singing, even at the song at that sort of level, you can still give it a fullness. So don't be frightened to remember that character's there and you need to be out. It needs to be out. But it was beautiful. You definitely got a lovely tone, a very unique tone. So don't be frightened to really take that on board and play with your songs and things like that, because it's definitely there. It was a really good audition. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Hello, Sam. Where have you come from today?
Hello, I've come from Newport. I'm from Bristol originally.
Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. How are you feeling about your audition today?
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling quite confident. A little bit of nerves, but not too nervous. Just looking forward to getting started.
That's it. Just go out there. Just do your best. Absolutely. Just go wild. What are you going to be singing for the judges today?
I'm going to be singing "Don't Stop Me Now" by Gwyn.
Oh, what a classic. A good classic. So, I wish you all the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready?
I am as ready as I'll ever be.
Go out and smash it.
Thank you very much.
Hiya, Sam.
Hello, mate, you all right?
Yeah, you're looking very relaxed there. You ready for it, yeah?
Yeah, ready as I'll ever be.
Good man. So, obviously new to us. We haven't seen you doing this live in person. I've seen a few videos of you online. I'm really excited about this. What are you going to sing for us today?
I'm going to sing "Don't Stop Me Now" by Gwyn.
It's a gutsy song. So when you were ready, you just breathe and start your audition, all right?
All right. Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world is turning inside out. Yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I am a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees is what they call me, Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm driving at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now if you wanna have a good time. Just give me a call, 'cause I'm having a good time. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't want to stop at all.
Well done, Sam. God, I was waiting for you to breathe throughout that there. I was like, hey, he's really going for it. Let me pass you to Sibel. Sibel, what did you think of Sam's audition?
Wow. Again, wow. That's a Queen song. It's really hard to sing Freddie Mercury songs. Oh my God. I'm speechless. That was really good.
Thank you so much.
Like, the control you have is amazing. Like high notes, banging. Well done. You should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Thank you very much.
I really liked the audition, Sam. I think you were really gutsy, and that's something I really admire. And you come out as though you were really confident, and I could see you were shaking a little bit with that mic. But you know, I admire that. Fake it until you make it. You've done really well with that.
Of course.
Yeah, I thought you were really gutsy. Like Joey said, with the breathing, I just noticed a couple of little areas where we can improve on breathing a little bit. I thought you might pass out at some points. But yeah, and then the top notes, I think just purely because of the nerves, they were clean, but they were just tipping off right at the edge. But I think that's all down to breathing and nerves, which of course are things that can be improved. But I think you've done an outstanding job for that first audition. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Sam, can I ask, just before I give my critique, can I ask, like, what experience have you actually done other than this?
So I started off doing a lot of karaoke, and then I started doing gigs. I did my first gig on the Big Splash Festival in Newport, and I did a gig yesterday in a pub where I did like a whole set and stuff. And I've got a singing teacher, so I've been
amazing
around. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. The reason why I say, because I don't know if it was just because it was your audition with us or something, but your voice, you're a very high tenor range, and you've probably been told that. You can see there's a huge range there, but it's very, very important when you're that sort of singer that you have full control and full breathing over it. And I don't know if it, because when I watched the videos online, I didn't notice it, but just now, there was a lot of tension. I think it was in yourself and it was you. And what that does, it closes everything off. So everything becomes really sharp and slightly shouty. And we don't want it to be shouty. So just keep an eye on that, because when you are in that big range and when you're pushing your notes right up there, you need to have breath. If you don't have breath, they're going to fail. That's as simple as it is. So you've got lots of breath there and push them notes. But I think with a little bit of more experience, and especially in this particular process, I think you could really learn how to control that. But in terms of talent and range, this has surprised me so far. So well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Hiya, Billy. So, where have you come from today?
Audition.
Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. How are you feeling about auditioning today?
Nervous.
Dad, how are you feeling about Billy auditioning for us today?
I'm looking forward to her doing it. She sings a lot now, so be looking forward to seeing her on here.
So, you've picked an absolute belter of a song for the judges today, so let us know, what are you going to be singing?
Rolling in the Deep by Adele.
What a smashing song. Good luck. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go and smash it, Billy.
Hiya, Billy, how you feeling?
Good.
Any nerves?
Yeah.
Little bit, just breathe. So, first time coming to Talent Search Cymru, what are you going to sing for us today?
Rolling in the Deep by Adele.
Belter of a song. You ready for it? Take your time, breathe, and when you're ready, start, all right?
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your things bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost said it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it with a beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
Well done, Billy. Sibel, what did you think of Billy's audition today?
You've got such a lovely voice and tone. It's beautiful. The song is really hard to sing though, and a cappella doing it's even harder. So well done for that. There was some bits where, because you were nervous a little bit, which is completely normal, it wasn't like perfect, but it can be. I can hear it in your voice. Just don't beat yourself up. It's completely normal to be nervous. You'll be fine in like next week or like, in the future. Just, well done.
Lily?
Billy, that was a really good audition. Well done. You come out really strong and you've picked a belter of a song. So well done for that. I think the same as I said to Trinity earlier, to be honest, is all confidence. You just need to have a bit of confidence in yourself. When you're picking at your rope and things like that, it's all just visual things that we can see and we can pick up on. And therefore then you think, oh, she's nervous. And then you start picking it up in your voice. So I think so long as you just do what I said to somebody earlier, fake it till you make it. Just come up and pretend that you're confident you've got this, because the vocals were phenomenal. So well done.
Billy, you should be really proud of yourself. It's not easy getting up there for anybody auditioning today, especially with this sort of environment where it's quite intimate. In terms of your talent, firstly, you're definitely talented. I noticed that I could sense where the lack of experience is there, which is natural because you're only young. Now and again, you were just closing the notes slightly, especially on the first line going into the chorus. And all you're doing is just closing your mouth when you're hitting the note. So instead of hitting it out openly with your mouth open, that's how it needs to be. So you need to take that on board. Just don't hold back. It might have been a nerve thing, but just remember that when you're singing, especially when you're hitting them big notes, don't be frightened to open your mouth. All right, because more's going to come out. You're going to let more volume come out. But other than that, you should be really proud of yourself. You could chill now. You've done your audition. So well done to you.
Hello, Scott.
Hello.
So where have you come from today?
I come from Port Talbot.
Lovely. Welcome to Talent Search Cymru.
Thank you.
How are you feeling about auditioning today?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm mostly excited for today.
So, Mam's come along with you today.
Yes.
Hi.
Mam, how are you feeling about Scott auditioning today?
I think I'm more nervous than he is, to be honest.
So, Scott, what are you going to be singing for the judges today?
I'm going to be singing Just the Way You Are by Billy Joel.
Oh, nice. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good luck. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Hiya, Scott. How you doing, buddy?
Hello, I'm doing all right, yeah.
Yeah, we're excited to see this.
Thank you.
So you've come down from Port Talbot.
Yes.
What are you going to sing for us?
I'm going to sing Just the Way You Are by Billy Joel.
Right, give it all now. Don't hold back. Lots of breathing.
Right.
And just go into it, all right?
Don't go changing to try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. I'll take the good times. I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. Whoa, but what will it take till you believe in me the way that I believe in you? I said I love you, and that's forever. And this I promise from the heart. I couldn't love you any better. I love you just the way you are.
Well done, Scott. And what an interesting choice. Sybil, what did you think?
There was some bits, maybe a few bits where it wasn't perfect, but it was really good. Well done.
Lily, what did you think?
I really enjoyed that audition. I like you brought something a little bit different and something a little bit unexpected. I don't think, anyone in the room would think someone of your age would come out with a song like that. So I really liked that. And in parts of it, on the where you done it, especially, it was a bit like John Legend-y, very soulful. And I could see that there were elements there that were just stunning and we'd love to work with. Yeah, I think you could tell there was a little bit of a lack of experience in terms of just control and just feeling the song, being a little bit more loose, that's all. But it is a learning experience, and this is a process whereby we can help bring these sorts of things out of you. You've got the elements there to work with. It's just giving you that support in knowing how to use them. But I really enjoyed that audition, and I think you've done very well.
Scott, you really did do well. And you showed off that there is this soulfulness in your voice. Obviously projection and how you're using your voice, there's a little bit of timidness, and again it might be that it's just the a cappella auditions, so don't be frightened to go full throttle with your voice and let it out. We got to remember, everyone needs to remember that when you first start out, there's a lot of people here today that we've seen so far that are new to this, and there is going to be nerves, there is going to be holding back and things like that, but that's what we're here to do. We're here to help. All right, so remember that we're all here to start somewhere. You've got lots and lots of potential, Scott. Definitely in terms of song choices that you could potentially do. I know that you kind of have a theatre background, I believe. Is that right?
Yes.
But when I listen to you, I don't hear theatre. And I'm telling you this because there's so much more than what you've been doing to date. And this is a good thing. Take this as a positive, because what I'm saying is that what you've done with your theatre so far, you've come to us today, and I can assure you that there's so much more outside theatre that you can do. And it might not be that you delved into it yet, but there is a lot more there. And Lily picked up John Legend. He's not theatre, and that's exactly what I heard in your voice. He's a soul singer. So please take that on board, because you could definitely delve into that sort of stuff and do it super, super well, all right? But other than that, a really good start and a really interesting choice. Well done, Scott.
Right, thank you.
And
Hello, Patricia. So, where have you come from today?
I came from Abercanon.
Nice. Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. How are you feeling about your audition today?
Really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I've never really done anything like this, but I want to give it my best, so I'm really excited.
Just remember to just go out, do your best, take a nice breath, deep breath in, and just go with the flow. So, what song choice have you chosen for the judges today?
So I'm gonna be singing I'd Rather Go Blind by Etta James.
Oh, what a powerful, beautiful song. I wish you all the best of luck. Are you ready?
I am, yes, thank you.
Good luck.
Hiya, Patricia.
Hiya.
How are you feeling?
Really nervous, but I'm trying for it not to get to me.
So, you're from Poland originally, yeah?
I am, yes.
How long have you been in Wales?
I would say about 11 years now, 12, so.
Nice. And do you like it here?
I really do, it's so much better.
Just breathe, and when you're ready to start, you just go into it, okay?
Okay, thank you. Something told me it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you and a girl walking out, oh, I would rather go blind, boy, than I see you walk away from me, child. Oh, so you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free, no. Thank you.
Well done. Very, very unique. I've never heard a voice like that. I didn't even recognize the song. It was so different.
Thank you.
I'm going to pass you over to Sibel. Sibel, what did you think?
Very unique voice, different, lovely voice. I will definitely remember your voice. You should be proud of yourself.
Thank you so
Well done.
much.
I thought that was a very good audition. You are very, very unique, and straight away your tone just captivated me. I really like what you've done with this song, and you changed it to be your own. And actually, the second you started singing, I thought you actually sound similar to Sibel. And I thought Sibel could actually help you quite a lot in terms of song choices and things like that, because she's similar sort of singer. But yes, you were very unique, and I really like that. So well done.
Thank you so much.
There's something really important here that you really need to know, and you may not have been told this. Your voice, you've got a very distinct voice. Now, obviously, when people come into the industry, you get people that have these very distinctive, very unique and individual sounds. And sometimes, I've said this before in previous series, when you have a person like this, is it's almost challenging to recognize how to keep the flow and how to keep the song sitting in time. And what happened there, it was to the point where it was completely unrecognizable, which in a way can be quite bad sometimes, because when people don't, because there was literally no melody to that, then you kind of just done all these distinctive things. It was very unique to that point. So I wouldn't want you to lose your uniqueness. We want to gain it. But it's so important that even though this is a cappella, when you do sing with a back end, to still keep the time of the song, still keep that melody, still keep that flow. You can keep that distinctiveness there, but you need to be in time with that song just to make sure people are fully understanding of what you're doing. I don't know if that's something that's a severe issue that's got to be resolved, or if it is just something, the fact that this is an a cappella audition and you've done your own little spin. I'm not too sure of that, but hopefully we can get to find out that. But you've definitely got a very distinctive voice. We just need to shape it in time now and make sure it's sitting in the song correctly. Very much like Amy Winehouse, that sort of style she's got. And she would sometimes do the same thing, you know, where she would slide out of time from the melody of what people would know. But you still got to have a little bit of control over it. So that's something that you can definitely benefit with. It's definitely something you could benefit with, like at the studio, with some little bit of coaching and that. But all in all, as an audition, I think you've done really well. You definitely showed us that you was unique. I've never heard anything like it, to be honest. It was the most unique thing I've heard in front of me on this panel. So be really proud of yourself. But all you need to take on board, make sure you sit in the melody of a song. Make sure you still got control over the time of it. That's it. Everything else is there. All right? Well done.
Thank you so much.
Well done.
Hello, Sophie. So where have you come from today?
I come from Tredegar.
Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. How are you feeling about auditioning for us today?
I'm nervous but excited.
Just put them nerves into that performance. What are you going to be singing for the judges today?
I'm going to be singing Out of Reach by Gabrielle.
What an absolute brilliant throwback. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Good luck. Go and smash it, girl.
Thank you.
Hiya, Sophie.
Hiya.
You've been waiting patiently to be seen. You ready for this?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Amazing. So, what are you going to sing for us today?
I'm going to sing Out of Reach by Gabrielle.
Okay, this is not one I've heard in Talent Search Cymru before, but it is a brilliant song. Right, so when you're ready, just breathe and you go into it.
Knew the signs wasn't right. I was stupid for a while. Swept away by you, and now I feel like a fool. So confused, my heart's bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far. I never had your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to be. Catch myself from despair. I would drown if I stay here, keeping busy every day. I know I will be okay, but now I'm so confused. My heart's bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far. I never had your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to be.
Well done, Sophie.
Thank you.
Really powerful voice, really rich and like full. Sibel, what did you think?
Beautiful voice. You were quite nervous, but we could hear the powerful voice that you got behind there. And I can't wait to see what you're going to do next, like when you are not nervous. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait.
Lily?
Sophie, that was a great audition. I loved how you come out and you're like, yeah, I'm ready, I want to do this. And it's a really good attitude to have, and I really like that. I liked your song choice. I think at certain parts, and this is just me being picky, I think you could have gone into your falsetto a little bit. You could have made it prettier. But by not doing that, we've seen that you've got a lot of power and a lot of volume. So I would be really intrigued to see, and especially if you worked with Joey, what sort of genre, what sort of artist you could really be, and try and find that within you, you know? Because I think once you found that, what you could do would be incredible. So I'd be really excited to see that. But well done.
Sophie, look, you're very talented. You definitely can sing really well. I think the only thing that I think needs to be worked on, and again, we're all working on different things, is just more, some people find it difficult to get this, but more personality when you're singing. And what this does, it allows more uniqueness and originality to you. So we need you to, when you were picking your songs and when you're selecting them and whatever you want to do, don't be frightened to just test yourself with changing it a little bit. It's just a bit more unique, and that might help find a bit more personality within the song. I actually loved the song choice. Again, Lily picked up the head voice notes. That might just be something that you're not used to using, but it would have definitely been nice to see that there on the reaches. But it was beautiful, and it was a really nice audition. So just don't be frightened to make the songs a bit more your own, right? Just a little bit more of that, and we might see a bit more of Sophie's personality coming out with it, all right? Other than that, well done.
Hiya Ella, so where have you come from today?
I've come from my stake.
Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. How are you feeling about auditioning for us?
I feel quite nervous but mostly excited.
You'll be fine. Once you get started, I think we're not going to stop you, will we?
No.
Ma'am, how do you feel about Ella performing for us today?
I'm really proud of her because she's done this all by herself. She's gone and she's came to me and said, this is what I want to do, and she's picked a song and been preparing, so I'm just really proud of her.
Definitely. So what are you going to be singing for the judges today?
I'm going to be singing Edelweiss from The Sound of Music.
Musical theatre. You like a bit of musical theatre, do you?
Yes,
Are you ready?
more than ready.
Good luck and smash it.
Hi there, Ella. How are you feeling?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, you looking forward to this?
Yes,
Yeah. Where have you come from today now?
my stake.
So what are you going to sing?
I'm going to be singing Edelweiss from The Sound of Music.
Okay, this is definitely an interesting choice. When you're ready, you just start, all right?
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow, bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow, bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever.
Well done, Ella. Sibel, what did you think of Ella's performance?
Oh my God, I love that. It was almost magical. You have a beautiful voice and good control. And I love your personality as well. I love what I see. Well done.
Ella, that was a very good audition. You do have so much control. I like that you come up and you've done the facial expressions, and that's something that obviously some people with nerves, they just can't manage to get it out. But you done really well there. You really held your own. I really liked what you done with the song. I think it was very, very pretty. And I'd love to see what you could do then going forward if you were successful.
Thank you.
Ella, how old are you again?
11.
So, you were like literally, this is the start of everything, basically. So you're literally at the cup of learning and growing. And I could tell that a lot, because I could tell there's a lot of timidness to you. I know the song's quite pretty and subtle anyway, but it almost made me think like, oh, wait there, could she have picked a song that was going to offer more of what I can hear you doing? But that's something you learn with experience, all right? So I can't expect you to come into the audition and know everything. I can't do that. So yeah, there's definitely a bigger voice there. There's a lot more to what you were doing. I'm not too sure if you work with like a coach or something. Do you have like a singing coach or not?
Yes, my mum's a professional teacher.
Right. Is it theatre? Is it a theatre route? Because
Yes.
right. Well, this is when I hear you, I don't hear theatre. My advice would be, obviously to you now, would be to go more into the pop sort of stuff, because what I'm hearing is just a tone that needs to be sat there better. And I think that'll improve and showcase what you can do better as a singer. Obviously, we all got different ears and we hear different things, but from my experience, that's what I'm hearing, is more of a pop voice there. So don't be frightened. I'm sure you listen to pop music at home or anything like that, but don't be frightened to delve into that, because I really think it will benefit you. But you're definitely talented. You've definitely got a voice there.
Thank you.
And I still can't believe you're only 11 years of age. That's mad. So well done, Chew. And you've done your audition. Well done.
Thank you.
Hello, guest. So, where have you come from today?
I've come from Pencoed.
Welcome to Talent Search Cymru. How are you feeling about auditioning today?
All right, it's been a while since sort of like been the other side of the mixing desk now, so excited to get on with it. Yeah.
So, before this, what was you doing?
Sung previously many years ago, but sort of gone back into like the promoting part of things. Sort of resident in local pub, so I haven't gigged as much for past maybe 7-8 years since the kids come along. So yeah, it's excited to go back.
So you've brought your daughter along today. So how do you feel about Daddy singing today?
I'm very excited, but he might be a little annoying.
A little annoying. Do you think Daddy's a pop star?
Yeah.
No. Is he gonna rock it today?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna be singing for us today?
Maybe not quite rocking it, but Let It Go by James Bay.
Oh, nice. Beautiful choice. Just go out there, give it your all. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
Good luck.
Hiya, buddy. So you're our final audition this series. Obviously you've mentioned a while ago you did the singing thing, and then you kind of moved over to a different field in music. What was it exactly?
Yeah, so sort of went into like the other side of the mixing desk, really, promoting other artists, sort of event management.
How did you manage to go from that to that?
Kids, just no time. Like when you're gigging every Friday, Saturday, getting home 1 o'clock in the morning, travelling here and everywhere.
It is
Mrs. whinging that she's doing every bedtime. Doesn't really stick, so just sort of
obviously
fell off, really.
Today now with this audition, this is kind of you just trying to get yourself back into the swing of things, get yourself back out there.
Yeah, jumping back to the other side if you like.
Amazing. Well, your online audition went down an absolute storm with us, all right? Your online audition. So I'm excited to see what you do today. What are you going to actually sing?
Let It Go, James Bay.
Right. When you're ready, buddy, it's all yours.
From walking home and talking lows to seeing shows and evening clothes with you, from getting drunk and nervous touch to staying up and waking up with you. But now we're sleeping at the edge, holding something we don't need. All this delusion in our heads, it's gonna bring us to our knees. So come on, let it show, just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? Yeah. Everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? I used to recognize myself. It's funny how reflections change. When you're becoming something else, I think it's time to walk away. So come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you and I'll be me? Everything that's broke, leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you and I'll be me, and I'll be me.
Well done, Gwyn. Sibel, I'm going to come to you. What did you think of his performance?
What a way to close the show tonight. I felt like I was in a concert. Your technique is so good. Your voice is just beautiful. I really enjoyed it. And I love that you played with your voice a lot. Well done.
Lily?
Yeah, wow. I don't know how to say this without sounding offensive, because I'm not trying to be offensive, but that was so unexpected. That shocked me the most tonight. I don't know what I expected. I think because you look a little bit rocky or something, I just didn't expect that. It's so beautiful, your tone, and I could just listen to it all day. I loved the cracks, the natural cracks in your voice, and on certain words like broke myself. Those ones, you were just cracking it, but it was perfect. I can't believe you've been on the other side of the singing for a while. I'm just my mind's blown. This is where you belong. I thoroughly enjoyed that, and well done.
Thank you very much, cheers.
Gwyn, yeah, I mean, we've been running this for 10 years now, and we've seen so many talents coming through over the years. And it's not often I feel that sort of connection when I see somebody that just reality check. This is what you should have always been doing. That's the reality. I can hear you covering so many different styles and different techniques. I can't just hear alternative indie there, which is kind of what you displayed today. I can hear you going from one extreme to another and making it your own. And that's exactly what I would expect you to do in this process, because it can be challenging when some people come into it and they have a certain way of doing things. And this is it, that is it. And then it doesn't stand out. Keep us excited, keep us wowed and oh my God, that was different. Whoa, we didn't expect him to do that. Keep us on our feet. And it's the same as all the auditions. It's about keeping us on our feet and keeping us excited. But I'll be honest, Gwyn, I don't think it was just the audition of the day. I think this is wonderful, and I think you've got massive potential in this process and outside of this process. Honest to God, buddy, credit to you, because you've got that. What it takes, buddy, and I just hope now that you really put yourself in this and dedicate, because you really can do so well. Amazing! What a wonderful audition.
Thank you very much.
Well done, buddy.
Cheers.
Right, girls. So that is the auditions concluded. They're completed, done and dusted. We've seen all the talent, and now what we've got to do is try and narrow this down, because we can only take so many through to the next stage, which is boot camp. Is it going to be tough? Is it going to be easy? How are you thinking, Sibel?
Well, it's going to be really tough. If it's up to me, I can't send anyone home. But yeah, it's going to be hard, very difficult.
No?
I agree, it is going to be tough. I think every single person there tonight was talented, and that is really hard then to try and narrow down. But I think I've just got to go by what we've seen, what we think we can do with them, work with. And yeah, we're going to have to make a decision, but it's definitely tough.
Yeah, I think we've opened the auditions with a very interesting mix. And I think that's going to leave us thinking, would this one be better? Because we haven't got much to go off, with it just being 1:30, So it doesn't give us much, especially with all our nerves around them. But it's just about thinking, right, what's going to work better? What's going to benefit better? Who's going to benefit better in this process, this series? And it's nothing wrong with them coming back again, It's going to be tough, but let's do it. The auditions are over, girls. Tune in next week for boot camp.